Children, today we are going to discuss about functions. In previous class, we discussed about relations, their domain, range, etc. And now we are discussing about functions. Suppose this is A set and this is B set. And let us talk about A cross B. If I'm finding out their Cartesian product, so what will be that? It will be 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. You know these elements will be in the set, and we will be having these four entries over there. Suppose if I consider one of the subset, if I am considering one relation, it is having element 1 3 and 2 4. So what will be the domain of this relation? It will be 1 comma 2, of course the first entries. And what will be range of this relation? That will be 3 comma 4, of course the range will be the second entries. So the relations which are having their domain equal to set A, where the domain is equals to set A and no two ordered pairs are having same initial entry, जिनमें ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स में किन्हीं भी दो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स में जो इनिशियल एंट्री है वो सेम नहीं है, यानी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट अगर सेम नहीं है ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स में, देन सच टाइप ऑफ रिलेशंस आर कॉल्ड फंक्शंस. यानी किसी भी एक एंट्री से दो इमेज नहीं निकलनी चाहिए और जो कंप्लीट डोमेन है वो सेट ए के बराबर होना चाहिए. देन सच टाइप ऑफ रिलेशंस आर कॉल्ड फंक्शंस. उन सभी रिलेशंस को हम फंक्शंस कहेंगे. सारे रिलेशंस फंक्शन नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ वही रिलेशन फंक्शन होंगे जिनमें डोमेन कम्प्लीटली फर्स्ट सेट के बराबर हो, जो कि ए क्रॉस बी यानी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का जो भी फर्स्ट सेट है उसके बराबर हो. And no two ordered pairs are having similar first entry, then such type of relations are called functions. You can see in this arrow diagram also, this one is having image 3 and 2 is having image 4. So these two entries are not having two images. All right. Function can be written like this also, fa equals to b, where b is called image of a. As you can see in this arrow diagram, 3 is image of 1, 4 is image of 2. Alright, so function can be written like this. It can be expressed like this, where b is called image of a and a is called pre-image of b here. Suppose I have given any function like this, when x is being mapped at this point, यानी x डालने पर उसकी इमेज इस पॉइंट पर बन रही है. सो इफ़ आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट f3, यानी 3 पॉइंट डालने पर कहाँ इमेज फॉर्म होगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला आई कैन फाइंड आउट f3. दैट विल बी सिंपली -1 on solving. On place of x I have written 3, so it's becoming -1. Now let us analyze one of the example. If this is given function x, this is minus modulus x, and question is saying that find out its domain and range. So modulus function, modulus gives always the positive value. If you are putting any real number, either positive or negative, so modulus function is giving out its positive value. So this complete value will be positive, but outside that there is negative symbol is written. Now I have to analyze its domain. Domain is those x values set which can be placed here and are giving well defined answer. यानी कौन सी x की वैल्यू हम यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हैं जो कि वेल डिफाइंड आंसर प्रोवाइड करें. सो यू सी आई कैन पुट एनी रियल वैल्यू ओवर हियर. मैं कोई भी रियल वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर सकती हूँ एंड आई विल गेट अ वेल डिफाइंड आंसर. So that is why its domain will be x such that x belongs to R. यानी कोई भी रियल वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पर पुट कर सकती हूँ और वो रियल वैल्यू पुट करने पर मेरे पास जिस तरीके का रिजल्ट आएगा दैट विल बी रेंज. तो अगर मैं कोई भी रियल वैल्यू यहाँ डालती हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन उसको पॉजिटिव बना देगा, but one minus symbol is also placed in front of that, so obviously the complete value will be negative. It means I will get real values, but real values are negative starting with 0. 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में मेरे पास सारी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज़ मुझे ऑब्टेन होंगी. So what will be range of such type of function? Range will be like this: x belongs to R and x is less than equals to 0. यानी नेगेटिव साइड में जाएंगी वैल्यूज़. और I can write like this: minus infinity to 0. I can write like this also. So this is representation. I have represented it in set builder form. Suppose let us see one more example. If we are given this function tc, where t and c are connecting and by this relation. So now question is saying that find t minus 10. यानी c के place पर मुझे minus 10 place करना है. Okay, I am putting on right side and on putting I am getting answer. Okay, I simplified here and I have got this, and this is the result. Hopefully this is clear how to find out, and whatever c value is given you just substitute here, and on solving easily you will get your answer. So in function this value is calculated on this. It means this function is connecting t and c out here. Alright, so putting the values you are getting this answer. So hopefully now you can try for these questions, and rest we will do in other class.